Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use the cold press lamination sheet or lamination machine with my lamination. So what you're first going to do is you're going to take a piece of lamination, and this is the X-Fasten. I can put it in the description below. You're going to want to just bend a little portion of it at the end. So there's about a inch to half an inch to an inch of lamination bent like this. Go ahead and just peel it slightly so that first portion comes off like that, and you're just going to stick it right on, let me get a better view of this, right on the top of your sheet, and just make sure that's pressed on there really well. And then we're going to take it through a lamination machine, put the lamination over top, and take your roller and just bring it through. And